everyone. Today you're going to learn about there are like few deprecation features. I just want you to check it out because whenever you go for some interviews, you need to know like what is the recent version that we are using. Okay, and also before, previous to the recent version, what are the changes that Microsoft have made and why they wanted to deprecate few features. Okay, so deprecation is something like it is the feature has been removed. So let's say if I just go here, just a minute, if I just check here, it's about, so the current version which I'm using is 10.0.37. Okay, maybe in 10.0.36 there are some features might be removed, but why it is removed? So that's what that we need to check. So you see here, user log. So in system administration inquiries, user log. So this feature has been deprecated. Why they have deprecated is, see, you can just check here reason for deprecation or a removal. Because the information on this page isn't always accurate and can be misleading, so that whatever the information in the user log is not that accurate. That's the reason why this got removed. Okay, so if you can able to see, sometimes what Microsoft do is they will replace with some other feature. Okay, they'll replace with some other feature, or they'll remove it completely. So it might be the either of the scenarios. So see here, and the other one, mail exchange email provider, this also been removed. Why and everything that you can able to see in the reason of removal. Okay, let me show you. There are many things that you can able to check, because whenever someone asks you what are the things that newly you have observed, so you can able to you have to answer all this. Like one or two is fine. Okay, they'll think that you are staying updated. Okay, so in March also, what it is going to be removed. So in March there is a non extra id external user sign in. Why they are going to remove is, so they gave the here description: we are deprecating access for external users who aren't present in the Microsoft Azure Active Directory tenant that is used for your finance and operation environment. Microsoft has identified this type of access as a security issue. Okay, whoever is having the Microsoft Azure Active Directory tenant ID, those people are only can able to sign in. Okay, the other people cannot, like, they will be considered as external. So this is one of the deprecation feature which they are going to deprecate in the from the March. It will be effective. Okay, so just check it out all this. So definitely it will be good learning skill for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.